Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to prepare a very simple homemade ice cream. This is a pineapple ice cream and it is very simple to prepare, so let's get started. I'll be using a big size pineapple. I've already cut and I froze it. Your pineapple has to be frozen so that you can achieve the same result as I did. I'll put everything into my blender. So the next, now I'll be adding my milk. The milk is almost frozen too. I use 500 ml of milk and I'll be adding 1 cup of condensed milk. Actually, this pineapple was very sweet, so if you have a pineapple that is not as sweet as the one I did, feel free to increase the quantity of your condensed milk. I'll be blending everything together. You need a very good blender to be able to achieve this actually, because the pineapple is frozen. So I use a very good blender, a high horsepower blender. See how smooth and creamy the whole mixture is looking. At this point, if you want your ice cream more colorful, you can add a little bit of yellow color. If you want the flavor very more intense, you add pineapple extract, but I like it this way, so natural. We'll transfer it into our container ready to be frozen. If you have a steady power, this should be set in 2 to 3 hours, but if you are in a place like I am, feel free to freeze it overnight. See, our ice cream is set. See how lovely it's looking, and I actually like it this way. But like I said earlier, if you like it more colorful, just add a little bit of yellow color and mix it together after blending. Other fruits you can substitute with pineapple are banana, avocado pear, strawberry or mango, and they will give you the same result. Just feel free to use any of these fruits and you will still get the same result. So I'll be finishing this up with some cube pineapple. Feel free to add any of your favorite topping and you are good to go. This actually tastes so good. It's so creamy, so tasty, and you are sure of what you are taking in. So if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, don't wait to hit the subscribe button to see more of my videos. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.